Hello friends, now you can see in our home page like the title is appearing here with the page with the content. So sometimes it happens like you want to remove or hide the title of specific page or post. So for that we can install a plugin. You can search like hide title and install like this plugin which has 30,000 active installation, hide page and post title, and install the plugin, and it's compatible with the version of with your version of WordPress, and then activate this one. So once you activate the plugin, now go to the pages, all pages, and home page, added this one, and here you can see hide page and post title. So select this one and click update. Now you can see home is appearing here. If we refresh the page, home will hide from here. So easily like we can hide the title from the pages, from specific page or post like this. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends, and also submit your comments and feedback about the video. Thank you very much once again.